Alright, so doing a full house wash right here. Hooked up or leaking. I don't know. Could put some thread tape on there. Pretty simple. I'm gonna get right here. Right there. Underneath there. And right here, house is not too dirty. It's not really dirty at all. It's really just the concrete that's the dirtiest part. We're gonna hit that with a 6%. We're gonna do the house wash first. And then we got some, the bricks right here. We're gonna get this right here. We're gonna get this red clay stuff off right here. Huh? All right, then we got this. We're gonna try to get this. We'll get this red clay off. Get that, and then we're gonna hit right here. So overall, house is not too bad, And then also, we got a new setup that we're doing. So the trailer's gonna be upgraded soon. I just haven't had time to break everything down, but we added a 10 GPM right here. So we got the 713, and then we got the TSF 2221 general pump, and then we got the general pump and loader. And I want to try out this new hose right here. This is some of that Blue Shield Kevlar hose. So we're gonna try that. So we'll see how it goes. Finished the house wash. Came out pretty good. I had to use the 10 GPM because I think my unloader went bad on my 5 GPM. So, all right, yeah, so we're good here. We're gonna get some stuff to get the bottom part off, but we're gonna go ahead and start working on this driveway first. And then we'll come back and get some stuff for this break. All right. Came out pretty good. Everything came out good. Now we're gonna get that brick. Wrapped it up. I'm about to wrap this hose up, but I think it came out okay. We just post-treated, so these lines should go away. But I'm surprised, even with this 10 GPM with a 20-inch surface cleaner, I even have lines. But I don't know, maybe I need to get a better surface cleaner. Hit the curve, hit this. I mean, this driveway was pretty bad. I think once it dries with the post treat on there, come out good.